foot. If you don't brake, you'll never land it. I dodged it.
Oh, God!
Oh!
Medically?
Where's Dakota? I haven't seen him for a minute.
Oh shit!
What the fuck just happened, dude? No fucking way! Holy shit!
Okay.
No better way to break
Okay.
your back.
I've made it the furthest so far, even if I wreck.
Just fly, baby.
We don't gatekeep tricks in this game.
Oh, okay. See, I'm just.
Holy shit! I made the ramp!
Oh, you did! I saw you!